Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Just a quick little video just to talk about the Gyuto challenge. I'm frankly humbled and amazed at winning this challenge. Thank you all for watching all the videos and voting and just the great feedback that I've had on this. This was a fantastic experience. Airin and I from A Knives, Airin and I were talking about, we really didn't think any of us had a chance of winning. We thought the big channels were just going to take this away and run away with it. But I'm still amazed at winning at the challenge. So thank you all. But what you guys didn't see is behind the scenes. We had a Slack channel with all the makers and all of the channels communicating, collaborating, and that was the most fun. And to be able to talk to these guys like Green Beetle and Blackbeard and Dustin from AOC and Brian from Houseworks, and of course Eric and Airin and everyone, all communicating and collaborating, and it is such a great community, and this has been super fun. So if you haven't seen the AOC podcast, the Art of Craftsmanship podcast, go check that out. You've probably seen the video already announcing the next challenge. So definitely stay tuned for that. If you haven't seen that, go look at my community channel and you'll see the video where we talk about the next one, the Bowie Knife Challenge. So this one I'm excited about as well. We don't have a time frame. We don't have all of the channels lined up yet, but there definitely will be one, a next one. So thanks folks, and thank you all for voting, and I'm so appreciative of winning this challenge, and I'm going to try hard on the next one. Thanks folks. We'll see you soon.